So to knit into the front and back, if you notice, let me get my camera up here so I can really make the focus. There we go. So if you notice, when a stitch is sitting on the needle, there's a front leg and a back leg. If you've ever noticed that. There's a front side and a back side of the stitch. And to do a knit into the front and back, which is a KFB, all you have to do is you knit into the front of the stitch just like you normally do. You knit into the front, but you don't take it off of the left side yet. When you get the first stitch pulled through, now you're going to kind of reach around behind with the tip of your needle, and you're also going to go under the back leg. So we went into the front leg, and now we're going into the back leg, and we're going to knit it. So now we have 2 loops. Now that we have 2 loops, now you can take it off the left side. So we just did an increase right there. Where there was only 1 stitch, we put a second stitch into it. So I'm going to knit a couple of more stitches, and then I'll show it to you again. Okay? Okay, we're going to do another one here. You're going to go into the stitch just like you normally do for knitting. You wrap it around, or you do your continental knitting. You bring the loop through, but you do not take it off your needle yet. You just stop. Now you reach around, and you have to pick up the back leg of the same stitch. You go into the back leg, and then you're going to knit that. You wrap the yarn around, you pull the loop through, and then you can take it off of the left side. I'll do it again right here. I'm going to do another one. You go into the stitch just like you are going to knit it. You bring your yarn around, you pull the loop through and stop, and then you go back and put your needle point back into the back leg of the stitch, and then you knit that back leg. You pull a stitch through, and then you pull it off. We'll do another one here. You make a knit stitch, you pull the loop through, and you stop. Then you take the point of your needle and kind of go around behind and go into the back leg of the same stitch, and then you're going to knit that back leg. So you pull a loop through it. The back leg is almost like purling. It kind of feels like purling, but you're actually knitting. And then once you have 2 loops, then you can take it off the left side. That makes an extra stitch. That's a knit into the front and the back of the same stitch. KFB. Knit 1 into the front and the back.